Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my spring get ready with me. I'm going to walk you through my morning of getting ready with my makeup, my hair, and my outfit, and what I pretty much do every morning that I'm going to be going out and want to look presentable and with everything like my hair and makeup done. So I thought I'd share what I'm currently loving and using at the moment to get ready for spring. Then I just share a little bit different style video than what I'm used to sharing. Usually I do talk through tutorials like, and take step by step. So I figured I would do it to music because I don't have to explain as much, but if you do want a step-by-step tutorial on either my makeup or my hair, I already have those on my channel, so I will link them below if you want to check them out and in case you missed it or if you want to refer back to them, but they are the same of what I'm doing today, so if you want to check it out, definitely do that. But otherwise, I thought I would have music and just have you have a relaxing style kind of video where you're just watching me get ready and you just kind of get ready with me. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up this video if you like these style videos so I know to keep doing more. And definitely hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already, and you'll get notified in your subscription box for more videos like these. I would love it if you did that. And yeah, I think that's about it. So let's get right into how I get ready.